Good morning everyone, this is Rekha going from Shrikanwartara Public Higher Secondary School, Mandleshwar, and I have with me Kumkum Gupta. Kumkum Gupta, you are most welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
As it is said that the sky is the limit when there are footprints on the moon, and this is what this girl has proved. She has secured 578 marks out of 720 in her NEET. So Kumkum, very first thing is hearty congratulations to you. And how do you feel?
I'm like my dream is fulfilled, so I'm very happy to begin my new journey,
Okay, fine.
and I'm really proud that my parents are also
Okay.
happy.
How did you get this idea of becoming a doctor?
Actually, from 5th or 6th class onwards, I thought that I want to become a doctor because I want to give my duty towards my country and also to
Okay,
patients.
that means you want to serve the society.
Yeah.
This is really a very noble profession.
Yes.
Could you tell us, the viewers, how you put in your efforts for this getting so much good?
For qualifying NEET, actually we need 2 years of consistency, preparation.
So
and
you have just noted down like consistency is a very much important thing. Yeah. What else?
also the support that parents, teachers, and also motivating us. Actually, throughout the journey of 2 years, we most of the time we feel like now to give up. But at that time, we have to be supported by everyone so that we can just motivate us to begin the.
Yes, very true. That is very true, Kumkum. I have seen you working day and night. Fine, and at times I used to think how much this girl studies, but definitely you bore the fruit. So I'm really very happy for you. So this success, who would you like to dedicate it to?
My success I want to dedicate to my teachers for guiding me the right things to do and the material they provided to study, and also my parents to support me. That's all for school for giving me like just an environment for studying.
That is more important, right? Like until and unless you get an environment to study, because at times, especially at this age, there are so many things which distracts you. So how did you hold yourself then?
Because in my mind when I feel like I'm distracted, I always thought that I have to achieve my goal. I'm dedicated towards it. Because of that, I was able to like distract from.
Okay, fine. So what would you like to tell to the NEET aspirants for the coming years?
For NEET aspirants, I would like to say that NCERT is the most important. For biology, it's like a Bible. I also say that memorizing the things in NEET is very important because there are too many examples that we have to memorize, and it's not like for just a 4 month. We have to memorize it for 2 years of journey. So it's something difficult, but we have to just for that.
Yeah, continuously if you work upon that,
Memorizing
definitely you are going to achieve your goals. So thank you so much, Kumkum, and I'm very very happy for you. Thank you so much.